Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain how to load even records and odd records into different tables. Okay, so see here guys, this is my source table. In this source table having 10 records. Okay, I want to load all these odd records into one table and even records into another table. Okay, how to achieve this particular requirement through Informatica. Now I will show you practically. Okay, before that what I will show you my source table, how exactly it looks like. Okay, so go to Oracle database. So actually I take this table from HR schema. Table name is employees table. Okay, in this table having around 107 records. Okay, so I want to load only odd records into one table and even records into another table. Okay, so how to achieve this requirement I will show you practically. Now go to Informatica. First what I will do, right now there is no sources, there is no targets in Informatica level. First I will import these sources first. Okay, for this one we need to select this source analyzer first, then go to this sources menu. Okay, if you click on this sources menu, it will display different kind of options. You can import source from database also possible. You can import source from files also available. All these options it will display under this source menu. Okay, right away my source is available in Oracle database, so that's why I choose this option, import from database option. Okay, select this option. Now choose this ODBC data structure. Okay, so already I explained few things how to connect database to Oracle, database to Informatica. I already explained these things. Okay, so what you will do, first we need to select your schema. So our schema is HR schema in Oracle database. So that I will select that schema first to import employees table in Informatica level. See, this is my HR schema. Select this one. Just provide username. Whatever username and passwords are provided at the time of creation of the schema in Oracle database, same passwords we need to enter in Informatica level also. Okay, so this is my username, then provide password. Okay, my password is admin. Okay, just click on connect option. As soon as you are connected, automatically that schema name is displayed over here. If you click on plus icon, all the tables list and views list able to displayed here. So right away I am using tables. Okay, in some point of time I will explain how to handle views in Informatica level. I will explain it our normal sessions. Okay, right away I am click on this tables expand button. Now see here we have employees table. Select this employees table. Okay, then click on OK. Now our source table is available in Informatica level. See, as soon as this table is imported, automatically in source folder one plus icon symbol is available. If you click on expand this plus icon, automatically it will show you first to schema name. Under the schema table name is available. Okay, now simply click on save button. Okay, so my sources is ready. Now I want to target table structure. Okay, I want to generate target table structure. Okay, how to generate? Just click on this target designer menu. First what I will do, I need two tables. One is even record storing table, another one is odd records storing table, right? So first what I will do, I will create first even records table structure. Okay, then I will create odd records table structure. So for this what you will do, you will simply drag this source to target. Now here you need to rename this particular table name. How to rename? Just double click on this one, then click on rename option. Okay, then provide table name, say even records table. Okay, then click on OK button. So just remove this primary key, all these options guys. Okay, I hope these are not getting okay. Okay, first I will remove all these things, remove primary one. Okay, it's not getting disappear, we'll see. So what I will do, I will make it as a not a key. I will explain all these things a certain point of time is how exactly once constraints are completed in Oracle database, then only you are able to understand what exactly these things will use in Informatica level. At the time I will explain in detail. Okay, now meanwhile you need to select all these columns as a not a key option. Okay, then apply, click on OK, click on save. See, as soon as you are click on save button, automatically targets also gets created, right? Now what you will do, you need to create same structure in Oracle database level also. Okay, how to achieve this particular requirement I will show you now. First, so if you want to load something in Oracle database, there is a mandatory that particular table structure will exist in Oracle database, then only our data get fitted into Oracle database. So that's why what I will do, I will create this structure into Oracle database level. Okay, for that one, go to targets menu. So go to generate and execute SQL option. So you need to provide where to load this particular data in your Oracle database schema. So I want to load this particular data into under this particular schema, test TGT schema. Okay, for this one we need to select this particular schema name here. So first we need to connect, click on connect option, then it will display all these ODBC data sources list over here. Then choose test TGT schema, then provide username test underscore TGT. Click on connect option. So before generate and execute option, I will show you one more thing. So this is my test TGT schema. Let's test whether tables is available or not, even records table is available or not. See, there is no even records table, there is no tables available in this particular test TGT schema. Okay, right away. Now as soon as you are click on generate and execute option in Informatica level, automatically this particular table structure will created in database level. Okay, just click on generate and execute option, click on OK. Now see, logs itself saying this particular table structure is created in database level. Okay, so go to database. First we need to test whether this particular table is created in database level or not. See, even records, right? Click on enter. Now see, table structure is created. Okay, same like I will create odd records table also. Okay, just click on save. Okay, first you need to clear this particular target designer. Again drag this source into target designer. Now I will rename this table name as a odd records. Okay, then go to columns, then choose everything is not a key option, then remove all these options. Okay, right now we don't require these concepts. Okay, so that's why I remove all these options. Okay, now same procedure, go to targets, generate and execute SQL option, just click on generate and execute. Okay, now this particular table also created in DB level. Let's check, select odd records. Okay, click on enter. Now see, even records table also gets structure is also created, odd records table structure also created in DB level. So now our sources is ready and targets are ready. Now it's time to create mapping. Go to mapping designer first, then click on this mapping menu, just choose create option. Okay, just provide mapping name as a load even and odd records. Okay, I will provide this m1 method 1. So for this requirement we are able to achieve this requirement in two ways. One is using sequence generator, another way is without using sequence generator by using mode function. Okay, first I will show you method 1. Okay, so that's why I mentioned mapping name as a m1. Okay, click on OK. First what I will do, first I will drag these sources, then I will drag these two targets. Okay, so in my mapping source is ready along with targets also ready. Okay, now what I will do here, I will take one sequence generator. Okay, first way is by using sequence generator we are able to achieve this particular requirement. Okay, so if you want to import sequence generator, see here, if you click on this 1 2 3 option, it is a sequence generator. See, whenever you are mouse over on this particular icon, automatically it will provide that particular transformation name. Okay, sequence generator transformation. So if you are confusing to selecting this particular transformation, simply what you will do, you will go to transformation menu, click on create option. It will provide list of all the transformation list. Okay, if you click on this drop down, it will show you all the list of transformations available in it Informatica Power Center. Okay, now I will choose sequence generator option. Okay, then provide particular name. Okay, even odd records sequence generator. Okay, then click on create option, click on done option. Now see, our sequence generator is ready. Okay, so now what I will do here, I will create one expression transformation. Okay, to create flag. Okay, so same procedure, or you need to drag. So I am an expert, right? So that's why I know how this based on these symbols I am able to identify particular transformation. But in your case you are not able to understand all these based on these symbols, so which transformation it is. So that's why you need to go to transformation menu, click on create option, choose expression transformation. See, this is the expression transformation. Provide exp odd and even load. Click on create, click on done option. So this is sequence expression transformation. Now what I will do, I will drag all these ports to expression transformation. Here ports means all columns, guys. Okay, drag here. Now what I will do here, I will drag this particular sequence generator next value into this particular expression transformation. I will explain what exactly this next value will do. I will explain in detail. Okay, so right away you are just drag this port into expression transformation. So in this expression transformation, what I will do, I will create one flag. Okay, so how to create flag, select this one, select add new port. So I will give this port name as a even and odd flag. Okay, then I will make this as a integer. Okay, then make it as a only output port. Okay, so in this here in expression I will provide the logic. Okay, so I'm using if condition. Okay, if next value, okay, divide by 2 equal to 0, then those values we are considered as a even. Okay, it means if any value divided by 2 equal to 0, if remainder getting 0, then those values we are considered as a even records, else odd records. That's it. So this is logic. Okay, So if any value divided by 2 remainder getting 0, then those values we are considered as a even records. Other than this, we are considered as a odd records. Okay, now just evaluate this particular logic. So see, expression parser successfully. Okay, now click on OK button. So before that, how this next value will works. So let's suppose I have 20 records in our source table. It will generate sequence generated value. Okay, each and every record. See, in this source we have sequence generator numbers, right? Same sequence generators are generated in Informatica level. Based on this sequence generated value, we are able to divide these values with 2. So that's why if remainder getting 0, those records we are considered as even records. If those records remainder not getting 0, those records we are considered as odd records. Okay, same procedure we are implemented in Informatica level by using the sequence generator concept. Okay, then click on OK button, click on apply, click on OK. Now all these logics are ready. Now I want to route this data to 2 different tables, right? So that's why I'm using this router transformation. Okay, this is router transformation. Just select this one, drag it over here. Okay, first we need to send all these posts to router transformation. Okay, drag here. In this router transformation, what I will do, I will provide one more logic, groups. So here we need to send 2 different target tables, right? So that's why we are dividing all these records from this particular router transformation. Okay, just click on this one, add new group to this port. Then I will provide this group name as a even records group. Now I will apply group filter condition over here. Okay, if even odd flag equal to even, then those records are filtered out into this particular. Better I will validate this one. Function cannot be resolved. What exactly here? Let's see, 1 minute guys. An expression, what I will do here, where is that word? Okay, groups. Okay, even records, then go to ports. Validate this one. Function cannot resolve. I will make this as a decimal. Now it will works. Okay, I will do to propagate dot bits. Okay, forward direction, then propagate it. Now all these changes is reflected into this router. Okay, now we'll try whether this data type is accepted or not. This one, I think if it is not accepted, then we need to change data type again. Okay, I hope it was okay. So we need to make this as a string. Actually we are sending this value as a even, right? So that's why decimals integer doesn't work, so that's why I make it as a string format, and string is better. Okay, now we'll validate this particular logic. I hope it will validate it. Before that I will save is propagate attribute propagate. Now we'll see, go to groups, validate. Yeah, now it's successful. Why? Because we are sending string value in this particular value, right? So that's why integer decimal doesn't work. So that's why we have to change this particular port data type as a string. Then only it will accept these numeric it means alphabet values. Okay, now what I will do, I will drag all these ports to even recast targets. Okay, shift it up to department, I need to drag. Okay, now if any record equal to even, those records are stored in under this even records group. Okay, then these even records are routed to this particular even records target table. Okay, now other than even records, what we have remaining we are considered as R records, right? Then those R records we are considered routed to this particular target table. Okay, now this is my mapping. Okay, now I will save this particular mapping. Okay, see here, this mapping state is as a valid state. It means our whatever logic we are implemented, so here every columns are connected to each other. Okay, so our mapping will works perfectly. Now what I will do here, first you need to run this particular mapping. We need to create workflow, then go to mapping menu, generate workflow option. I will choose workflows with reusable sessions, then click on next, click on next, click on finish. Now go to workflow manager, just disconnect this folder and try to reconnect it. Now see, all these workflows are generated over here. First what I will do, just open this particular folder. Okay, just go to workflow manager, drag this workflow. Okay, now see, our workflow is ready. Okay, now double click on this, go to mappings. First we need to choose all the sources and target connections. Okay, actually Oracle sources is our source, so it's getting loaded into Oracle database. Okay, so that's why I connected this particular DB connections. Okay, see, then targets is nothing but this schema test TGT. Okay, this schema I have provided this test schema at connection level in Informatica, so that's why I choose this option. Okay, first I will try to change this target type. Okay, click on apply, click on OK. Now our workflow is also ready. Now I will run this particular workflow, start workflow, go to monitor, see it is running now. So now it become a succeeded status. Okay, now we'll see whether data gets loaded or not into this even and odd records. Okay, so source and target, see, actually this is my source. In this source having 107 records, out of 107 records 53 even records is loaded into even records table, 54 odd records are loaded into odd records table. Now we'll see in DB level, right away there is no data in this particular two tables, even records and odd records table. Now if you run this particular even records table, now see, around 54 records are loaded into even records. Okay, 53 records. If you run odd records table, execute our records table. Now see here 54 records are loaded. So like this we are able to achieve this particular requirement through Informatica. Okay, so this is one of the interview scenario. So in next lecture I will explain how to develop same scenario through mode function. Okay, I will explain in next lecture guys. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.